In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Exness directly to Binance Pay. This is a fast and convenient method if you're already using Binance and want your funds transferred seamlessly without dealing with long wallet addresses. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Exness website or app and log into your Exness account using your credentials. Make sure you're logged into the correct trading account and that withdrawals are available. Once you're logged in, go to the withdrawals section. This is where Exness lists all supported withdrawal methods. In the list of available options, look for Binance Pay and click on it. Selecting Binance Pay allows you to send funds directly to your Binance account without manually entering wallet addresses. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Double-check the amount to make sure it meets Exness's minimum withdrawal requirements. After entering the amount, follow the on-screen instructions. Exness will guide you through the process, which may include confirming your Binance Pay details and reviewing the transaction summary. You'll then be asked to complete security verification. This could include email confirmation, two-factor authentication, or other verification steps depending on your account settings. Once everything is confirmed, submit the withdrawal. Exness will process the request, and after it's completed, the funds will appear in your Binance Pay balance or Binance account shortly. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn funds from Exness to Binance Pay. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.